Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. For today's video, I'm gonna unbox my Young Living September Essential Rewards Kit. It comes with this box, and kung maalala nyo, I started my wellness journey in the middle of August. And I've explored naman all the oils that's included in the PSK that I got. Actually, wala pang 1 month, pero yung iba sa oils na yon, like itong lemon, ayun o, kung makikita nyo siya, less than half na lang yung natitira dun sa lemon. Kasi gamit na gamit to. Kasi nga, diba, I mentioned from my PSK unboxing that I'll be trying the weight loss trio. And, syempre, paggabi, ito rin yung dinidiffuse namin. Pagdating kasi sa family ko, sa sarili ko, hindi ano sa akin yung titipirin ko, yung sarili ko or family ko. Kasi, kaya nga ako nag-work, diba? To provide for myself and for my family. Tapos, titipirin ko. Di parang sayang lang yung pagtatrabaho ko ng long hours, diba? Ito yung laman niya. This one is desert mist. Kasi, yung enrollee ko ng September, ang gusto niya is Feather the Owl diffuser. So, kumuha ako ng PSK with desert mist and kumuha ako sa ER ko ng Feather the Owl diffuser. Tapos nagpalit kami. Syempre, I adjusted the price na lang din for her. So, itong desert mist, hindi ko sure kung gagamitin ko kasi ang gusto ko talaga si Dew Drop or si Lantern diffuser. So, let me know kung merong may gusto sa inyo na to na bilhin. I'll sell it at a discounted price na lang para at least mabawi ko kahit papano. Pero if ever na walang bibili, pwede ko naman gamitin na lang din kasi mag-start na rin yung homeschool ni Ate Ellie. And at night kasi we're using Feather the Owl diffuser for diffusing our oils at night while sleeping. So, parang ma-abuse naman ng husto si Feather kung pati morning siya pa rin yung gagamitin ko siya pa rin yung gagamitin ko pang diffuse. So, while homeschooling, baka i-alternate ko para isa sa morning, isa sa night na gagamitin ko diffuser. Kaso mas gusto ko talaga si Lantern or si Dew Drop. Kaya, if you know someone who would want diffuser lang, ang point him or her my way na lang para ibenta ko to sa kanya at a discounted price na lang. So, let's start with the oils. This one is, ito yata yung malaki. Ito yung mga 15 ml ko. The first one I got is ito, lemon, na full size na siya. 15 ml. Kasi, yung kasama sa PSK is ito lang. 5 ml. Ganito lang siya kaliit. And sabi ko nga, less than half na lang yung natitira sa kanya kasi nga gamit na gamit ko talaga itong si lemon. So, my first ER, I got a lemon agad para hindi ako maubusan. Takot maubusan, sis. And the next one I got is the Melaleuca alternifolia. Siya yung tea tree na oil. I wanted kasi to try something for my skin. Although si frankincense, sobrang did wonders sa aking skin. You can check my IG story or Facebook page story I shared. My skincare story with frankincense and my husband's skin improvement story doon. Talagang sobrang helpful ni frankincense sa amin. So, I'm gonna try a blend with tea tree kasi ito talaga yung parang pang skincare talaga nila. So, yun, tea tree, I got that. And then, next is grapefruit. Ito kasi si grapefruit, kasama siya sa weight loss trio, but hindi siya kasama sa PSK. So, I got a grapefruit para matry ko na yung weight loss trio. And then, wala na laman. The next one is, ito namang isa pa. I got the lavender 15 ml. 5 ml, I'm sorry. 5 ml kasi 'di ba bumili nga ako ng Feather the Owl diffuser and ito yung free niya doon. So since nag-fuser lang naman yung pinagpalit ko, akin tong 5 ml na love. And then the last oil that I got for this month's ER is 15 ml na peppermint. Kasi yung peppermint na kasama dun sa PSK, ganito lang din siya, 5 ml lang din siya. And kalahati na lang siya. Kasi ginagamit ko din to pang diffuse and hinahalo ko din dun sa drinking water ko. So, baka maubusan kaya kumuha na ako ng 15 ml. The last one I got from my ER is this Thieves na concentrated household cleaner. I've heard so many great reviews about this. Sobrang okay daw na highly recommended. Lalo na ng mga plantitos and plantitas. I think it's gonna be a mixture of a cup full to a 500 ml water. Tapos, pwede mo siyang spray sa plants mo for siguro 2 to 3 times a week. And then, sobrang ganda daw ng mangyayari sa plants mo. And also, dahil ultra concentrate siya, pwede siyang i-substitute dun sa mga chemical na panglinis ng bahay. So, I have yet to try that with this. Pero ang main purpose ko kung ba't ko binili to is for my plants talaga. Kasi, meron akong mga kitchen scraps na plants. And minsan kasi pag nagpa-plant ako ng ganun, yung iba hindi nabubuhay. So, yun, I want to try this for that. Those are everything that I got. Dapat meron tong kasamang citrus fresh for August enrollees. Kaso, because September 1 ako nag-check out ng aking ER, siguro wala pa sa system nila. So, yung enroller ko nag-send na ng live health. And then, they're gonna be shipping that soon daw or baka kasama na lang sa October ER ko yung free ko na citrus fresh. So, these are the oils that I've got. 4 na 15 ml. The grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, and the tea tree oil. Isang lavender na 5 ml. And Thieves household cleaner. So, yun yung aking ER essential rewards for September. And kung if you wanna see more results, kung anong nagiging resulta sa akin itong mga oils na to, make sure to follow me on Instagram kasi doon ako unang-una nag-update. Pero sobrang saglit pa lang ako, wala pa akong 1 month sa Young Living, pero I've seen how great it is already. And hindi ako nagsisi na yung talagang last money ko. Kasi kung nanonood kayo ng previous vlogs ko or pina-follow nyo ako sa Instagram, I've been home quarantined for more than a month. And dun sa period na yun, wala akong salary. So, yung savings ko medyo na-deplete kasi syempre, the bills did not stop naman. Pero may income stop. Yung mga kuryente, rent sa bahay, car payments, groceries, hindi naman yun tumitigil pero yung income ko nag-stop. So, yung savings ko talagang na-deplete during those times. Pero, parang may parang nag-snap sa akin na parang, ang gusto ko kasi talaga si Feather the Owl Diffuser. Yun yung parang gusto ko talagang maging kit. So, nung naging available siya, I know that it will not be available for so long. Pero sabi ko, nung time na yun, kulang yung money ko to buy that kit. And siguro talagang merong way si Lord to, parang siguro way na lang din ni Lord to tell me na, sige na, kunin mo na. Parang si Lord talaga made a way for me to get the kit that I really wanted. Tapos, yun, sobrang life-changing niya, not only for me, also for the kids, for my husband as well. Talagang, minsan yung husband ko na yung nagsasabi, ay, try mo to, sobrang talagang sulit, ganun. Tapos minsan, pag nakakatulog na ako, gigisingin niya ako, paano ba tong owl, gusto kong talagang worth it yung pagsabak ko sa wellness journey ko na parang kahit yung last money ko, kulang, gumawa si Lord ng paraan for me to get to enroll pa rin sa Young Living. And yun, sobrang it has been life-changing for my family. So, if you want to get your own kit, you can message me. I'll be happy to assist you kung paano kayo makakakuha ng sarili nyong kit. Or if you know someone who was already a member and comfortable ka naman sa kanya maging enroller mo, you can also message them na paano ba yan. I'm sure they'd be happy to assist you also kung paano kayo makaka-join sa Young Living. So, yun lang. I'll see you on my next video. Baka gumawa ako ng review with this Thieves na household cleaner and di kay tea tree na pang skincare and si lemon pep and grapefruit na weight loss trio. Baka gumawa ako ng review for them kasi si Frank, Lavender, mga normal na yan talagang ang dami nang gumagawa ng review about them. Pero baka ako, I'm gonna try to document everything that I do with these oils para din matulungan kayo kung existing oiler na kayo, hindi nyo alam kung saan nyo gagamitin yung oil nyo. At gagawa ko ng video on how I use these oils para mag-guide din kayo kahit paano. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, hit the bell button beside it to be notified for new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!